Hi, and welcome back to Mentally There. Crushing on someone can be an exhilarating experience. The feeling of being around your crush can make your heart skip a beat, your palms sweat, and your stomach do flips. However, it can also be a nerve-wracking experience because you don't want to scare them away. You want to show them you like them, but you don't want to come on too strong. In this essay, we'll explore some ways to show your crush you like them without scaring them away. Start with small gestures. If you want to show your crush you like them, start with small gestures. You don't want to come on too strong right away. Maybe you could start by saying hello to them or making eye contact. You could also start a conversation with them about something you both have in common. These small gestures will help you get noticed without scaring your crush away. Be yourself. One of the most important things to remember when trying to show your crush you like them is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress them. Your crush will appreciate you more if you are genuine and authentic. Plus, if you start a relationship based on a false persona, it will be difficult to maintain. Use body language. Body language can be a powerful tool when trying to show your crush you like them. You can use body language to communicate your interest without saying a word. For example, you could lean in when talking to them or touch their arm gently while making a point. These subtle cues will let your crush know you're interested without being too overt. Give compliments. Everyone loves to receive compliments, and your crush is no exception. However, you don't want to come across as insincere or over the top. Keep your compliments simple and genuine. You could tell them they look nice or that you appreciate something they said or did. Compliments can be a great way to show your crush you're paying attention to them. Invite them to do something. If you want to show your crush you like them, invite them to do something with you. It could be something as simple as grabbing a cup of coffee or going for a walk. This will give you a chance to spend time together and get to know each other better. Just make sure to keep it casual and low pressure. Listen to them. Another way to show your crush you like them is to listen to them. Everyone wants to feel heard and understood. When you're talking to your crush, make sure to actively listen to what they're saying. Ask follow-up questions and show that you're genuinely interested in what they have to say. This will not only show your crush you like them, but it will also help you get to know them better. Be patient. Finally, it's important to be patient when trying to show your crush you like them. Don't expect things to happen overnight. It takes time to build a relationship, and you don't want to rush things. Take things slow and let things develop naturally. Remember, the goal is to show your crush you like them without scaring them away. In conclusion, showing your crush you like them can be a nerve-wracking experience, but it doesn't have to be. By starting with small gestures, being yourself, using body language, giving compliments, inviting them to do something, listening to them, and being patient, you can show your crush you're interested without scaring them away. Just remember to take things slow and let things develop naturally. Good luck! We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Mentally There. See you next time.